How to check Twitter history. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about checking your Twitter history depending on what you're looking for. So if you're trying to look for your own tweets on Twitter, on mobiles and computers, you can go to your profile and then scroll down to see your tweets, replies, media, and likes over there. And for older tweets, you can keep scrolling or use the advanced search feature as well. Another thing you can do is you can download your complete Twitter archive, which is best for the full history. So for that, you need to go to your profile picture icon, tap on settings and support and go to settings and privacy. Now click on your account and tap on download an archive of your data. Enter your password and confirm, and Twitter will email you a download link, and this may take a few minutes to a few hours. So open the downloaded zip file to find your full tweet history, such as likes, followers, messages, videos, content, and more. You can also go to your profile, scroll to the right, and there you will see the likes section. So you will see the tweets that you've liked, newest to oldest, in this page. And you can go ahead and see your search history as well. This is only temporarily visible in the app or browser, so tap on the search bar to see your recent searches. Tap on the X to remove the searches if needed. And remember that Twitter does not keep your search history forever, and it can be automatically cleared. So tweets you've simply viewed or scrolled past, there is no view history for that, and you can't also see the deleted tweets unless they were archived externally. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.